Welcome back to another Excel tutorial. Today I want to explore how to use the time function. The time function in Excel is used to create a time value from individual hour, minute and second components. The function converts these individual time components into an Excel serial number for a time which is a fraction of a day. This is useful when you want to supply the time components separately and get a valid time format that Excel can recognize and use in calculations. The time function belongs to the group of date and time functions within Excel and combines individual hour, minute and second components to form a time. The syntax starts by time and then you fill in hour, minute and second, where hour, minute and second are the time components to combine. So if I want to create just a time, I start by an equal sign followed by time, and then let's say I had 2 hours, 3 minutes and 4 seconds. I close the parentheses, I hit enter, and I'll get to 2 a.m. but I want another time format. I want to have it shown like this, so hour, minute, minute, second. I click OK, and now I get 2 hours, 3 minutes and 4 seconds. I can also use the time function to calculate time differences. For example, I could use equals time 2, 3, 4 minus time 1, 2, 3, for example, minus time 1, 2, 3, close the parentheses, hit enter, and then of course I get to 1 hour, 1 minute and 1 second, as 2 minus 1 is 1, 3 minus 2 is 1, and 4 minus 3 is 1. But I can also use the time function to add time to a date. So I say equals. Then, for example, I want to add time to this shipping date, as our shipping department told us that the shipping date actually was 2 hours and 10 minutes later. So I click on the shipping date. Then I say plus time. And what did I say? 2 hours and 10 minutes. 0 seconds. I hit enter. And now I'll get back the date in this format, but I want to have shown the date including time value, because if I click on this value, you can see that the time, so hour, minute and second, is stored inside this data, but it isn't shown because we have a different date format here. If I want to change this, I of course have to click on the format kind of thing again, and then I click on more number formats and I go to custom, and now I can choose, for example, this format, which is giving me date, month and year, and then hour and minute. I click OK, and I get back 24th of March 25, and this is 7 p.m. and 44 minutes. And if I click on this date, okay, here we have 5 p.m. so plus 2 is 19, seems to be correct. And then we said 10 minutes later, so instead of 34, I get back 44, which also seems to be correct. And this is basically how you use the time function. I hope you liked this video. If you did like it, I would appreciate a thumbs up, and see you in the next video.